story 8 February. The Winchetters. Becky and Sherry are twins. Becky left the recipe. Her sister, Sherry Lover, but one day their mother said to them, let's buy some new clothes for you. So they went to the store together. Their mother chose some very nice dresses for them. Becky was happy, but Sherry was not. How can I play baseball in this? She asked. Sherry looked at a boy who was trying on a pair of shorts. Sherry mom saw this well. She said, would you like some shorts instead? Sherry was very happy. That would be right, she says. All right, I will buy a dress for Becky and socks for Sherry, Mom said. Sometime I guess that's all there you two look the same is Jackson. Mean you are there the same? Laughed their mother.